Is there a way to more easily create a comment-based help file for PowerShell? Yes, there is, and I'm going to share with you the code in this episode. So in my PowerShell classes, I like to make sure we really finish out our code, and that means we have to create a help file. Now, there is a help file that you can look at that shows you how to create a help file. It's called About Comment-Based Help. But there's going to be a lot of typing, and especially if you have a lot of parameters, this can lead to some typos, some errors. So I decided to write up a little bit of code to help us out. Now, the code I wrote is called New-Helpfile. And with New-Helpfile, what it does is it goes through whatever PowerShell script or commandlet or function that you provided to it. And what it's going to do for us is examine the contents of the parameter statement in that code. And then it's going to write out a template that you can then copy and paste into your script or your function or whatever, and it's going to have most of the structural programming done. Let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and run this code so it puts this function into memory. Now, you might want to create a module out of it so it's always going to be available to you. So let's say you just created a new commandlet called new-azvm. Okay, I know. That commandlet already exists. Just roll with me on this one. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes. So I need to create the help file. So I'm going to do a new help file. The source is going to be new-azvm. And you can see it says help file has been copied to the clipboard. So now we can go back to our code and paste it in. Let me show you. So here we have, let's just pretend it's the function, the commandlet we've been building out, and it already had all of its parameters. So I need to do the help file. I'm going to put the cursor in one of the 3 valid locations for comment-based help and press Ctrl-V to paste. And take a look at what it just did for us. Every single parameter of that commandlet now has a parameter section made out for it. Everything is spelled correctly, and you can see there are a lot of parameters with this particular commandlet. Now again, I know that this is a commandlet that already exists, but when I'm writing out my code, I don't like having to keep going up to a help section and adding things in. So I pretty much wait till I get to the end of my code. And with that code sitting in memory, I run the command new-helpfile and target that command, and it just creates the template for me. Now, yes, I still have to write in all the details, but at least the structure is correct. And all the keywords are correct, which is, one of the areas there I generally mess up. So anyhow, I hope this code helped you out. Go to the Infotech Zone YouTube channel page, click on the Community tab, and then look for the entry from September 16th, 2024. There, you can get a copy of this code. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.